Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am very excited because a package has just come in the mail. I have been searching around on Aliexpress for certain planners and planner binders lately, and I finally found one that I absolutely love. I do already have a Kikki and a Hobonichi, but I really wanted a different sort of planner. I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos online, and once I saw it, I knew I had to have it. So today I have a clear planner unboxing. Yep, you heard that right, clear planner. I absolutely love the aesthetic of this planner, and it finally came in the mail, as you can see, so I thought I would do a really quick unboxing. So I did end up picking up a clear planner as well as a few inserts to go inside of it. Not paper inserts, but like card holders and zipper pockets, etc, etc. So I thought I would open up this package right now and then do sort of like a quick setup on how I'm going to be using this planner. So I picked all of these things up from one store on AliExpress. A ton of different stores have this planner. I just chose one that I preferred. This did take quite a while to get to me. It is already February and I probably ordered this January 1st or something like that. So it did take a while to get to me, so if you are planning on buying something, then just so you know, it does take a while to ship. So I've already opened up the package, as you can see here. Let's just take everything out here. So these are all the goodies that I picked up. The planner did come with bubble wrap, but I already have taken that out. This is the store that I decided to pick up this planner from, and it just has some information on the back there. My order did come with a free pen. I'm sort of happy that I got a Despicable Me one. I actually just ran out of one of my pink bunny pens. It's just like one of the gel pens that I got on a random store. I just ran out of that pen and I'm so happy that I got a new one. This is, I'm pretty sure, the exact same. Yeah, it seems like it's the exact same pen, but the outside is just Despicable Me themed, so happy that I got that. So I have my gorgeous clear planner here. I'm so excited to use it, and I also got a few extras here. Let's open up this guy first. So I'm actually really happy with the quality of this planner. As you can see, it is fully clear, just has the binder rings on it and a silver button closure and silver rings. I'm really happy with actually the quality of this plastic. It's a lot thicker than I expected it to be. And it did come with this free little today bookmark. So this plastic is quite thick. It might take me some time to sort of train it to lie flat because, as you can see, it is definitely popping up a little bit. So yeah, I did get one of these free today markers, which is really nice. And the rings are actually quite nice. They are a little bit small. I was hoping that they would be a little bit bigger. These are definitely, I feel like these are smaller than all of my other planners, like my Kikki, and even some of my personal planners, like the Webster's Pages, as well as the Recollections personal planners. I think these feel like pocket size, like they're really thin. Like they are super small, as you can see, but all of them look like they are closed really nicely. Let's just open this. It might be quite loud. Oh yeah, that is definitely loud. Oh. But so far, I am really liking it. The quality of it is actually quite nice, and I bet I can train it to lie flat. This planner didn't come in like a box or anything, so I was worried that it would have some scratches. Great, now there is a bunch of hair from this rug on this planner. But there actually are not that many scratches. I mean, like there's like a few from like this, from this marker on the inside rubbing against there, but I think I can just clean off the rest of the smudges. Obviously this did come from like a regular factory, so I wasn't expecting too much, and this was quite affordable. I believe it was around $8 Canadian, and that's quite nice. Okay, so let me show you all the other things that I picked up as well. I picked up some card holders. I picked up some of these A5 card holders. They are in a little, they're slightly weird configuration because they are like sideways like this, and then you have a cross in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So as you can see, the cards go in on this side, and then there's like this empty space here. But I think they'll be fine. I'm planning on putting some cards in there. So I got 2 of those, and I got 1 zipper pocket. I actually DIY'd my other zipper pocket in my KikiK because I had an Erin Condren pocket. So I just punched holes in that zipper pocket and it fit really nicely. But I didn't have any more, so I decided to get another one of these zipper pockets to put in there. And I got these 2 personal sized, what are these called? Personal sized card holders as well for my other planners. So these are looking a little bit small, but because these are like brand new and like fresh out of, fresh out of the packaging, they are a little bit more stiff. But the quality of this is really nice. They are quite thick and they're not easily gonna break. So now that I have some of these, I want to pop them into here. I do have a few things prepared. I want to sort of set up this planner a little bit, so why don't I get started doing that? So I do want to put a weekly and a monthly in this planner, and I did make my own little inserts that I printed out. I want to just cut these sheets in half. This is regular letter size paper, and I decided to just fold these in half and use these as my inserts. The half letter size is very similar to A5, but it's not exact. But I think this is just a lot nicer to cut and it's a lot easier. So basically what I did was I went on Photoshop and I made these inserts myself. So I have a section for this week, and then I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'll be able to write on that, and I just printed them double-sided, and I did it on a bunch of different colored paper. So I have a pink one here, which is really pretty. I have this yellowish one. I do also have some monthlies. Again, I did design these all myself, and these are all half letter size. So I printed them on pink. I also have some on white paper if I need it. And then I just have some regular paper that I didn't print on, so that I'm just going to stuff in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting all of these guys out first. I actually want to do another DIY. I have this clear folder here and it's A5 size, so it's definitely going to fit in here. I'm thinking about using this as a dashboard, and I'm just going to put whatever pictures I want in here in this folder. So why don't we try that? I really like these folders. I just got these at a random Japanese store. They're just one of these folders that are like closed on 2 sides. So I'm planning on punching on this side and then just sticking it in here. What do you guys think? So let me take out this acetate so I can use this as a template. I can just add whatever pictures I want and put them in. So let's see if that fits. Fits really nicely. It's a little bit bigger than these pages, but I think it's gonna work. So now that I punched these holes, I can put any pictures that I want on the inside, and because this is clear, I mean it is quite clear, as you can see. If I put my photo card in here, it's clear, so I can put some images here. I do have some Sailor Moon ones that I want to sort of make a collage with. So I'm just gonna find a layout that I quite like. So I think one of the last things that I want to make are little washi holders, I guess. So I have some leftover pieces of acetate that I'm going to cut down into strips, and I will just wrap some washi around them. So now that I have these, I'm just going to punch some holes in them. So now that I have these, I'm just going to now that I have all of these, I have some washi here. Okay, so this is what I have done to this planner so far. I am loving how transparent it is. I think it is so cool, and I decided to add some acetate in here that makes it holographic, which is really awesome. So I decided to make a little washi card over here with some of my favorite washi so I can use them in my planner without having to take out the whole roll. I have my first sheet of acetate here. I also have my first dashboard I made out of a pocket. I just put some images that I really like in here. I might change them, I might add some more, I might add a background to it. But right now I really like it. I then have a bunch of monthly pages that I made myself. I have some note sections over here, and then I can write in all of the days that are undated. I have this sheet over here, which I put some of my photo cards in here. I've been wanting to put them in my planner for so long, so now I have a few here. Then I have some dailies here in lots of different colors, so I can choose whichever one that I want to use that week. I have another piece of acetate, some grid paper in here. And then in the back I have my clear pocket with some stickers as well as some more photo cards in the back. I might add another sheet of acetate in here if I really want to, but at the moment I'm quite liking it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick unboxing and half setup, I guess, of this planner. This is definitely going to change a little bit more as I find some more things to put inside of it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!